Hi, this is my introduction for Fort Hays State, our first class in the Transition to Teaching program 800. My name is Thomas Wood, and this is my introduction to me. So, I'm technically the third Thomas Wood, so kind of, I guess to avoid confusion, my parents called me by my middle name my whole life, so I go by Joe, even though everything shows up as Thomas Wood. I unfortunately wasn't able to get everything all kind of squared away to get this class taken last summer, which is where it would have been a lot more beneficial. I can tell just based on our first meeting so far that there's a lot of good information that I wish I would have got, but I survived my first year and I'm about to start my second year in the Transition to Teaching program through Fort Hays State. I was hired by Winfield High School last year to fill a vacancy in their business finance department, business finance department of one. So that's me. And then we obviously have some other business classes and stuff as well. But this is a picture I like to try to get involved. This is highlighter day or something along those lines. I have learned as a teacher that I need to have a more creative wardrobe. So I pulled out all of the highlighter yellow stuff that I could find, and including my 9-year-old daughter's soccer socks. So that was kind of fun, and my daughters thought it was awesome that I was wearing Lisi's socks. So speaking of my daughters, I've been married for 12 years. I guess I should apologize to my wife because I didn't put her name on here, but her name's Bray. And we have 4 daughters. Annabelle Grace, who is 10, and I would say she's a swimmer, and she likes to be right. How's that? And then Carolise Joy is our 9-year-old, and she loves pretty much all sports. She does travel basketball and club swimming, and she likes tennis as well and soccer. Those are probably her kind of 4 main sports. And she is a very kind soul. So Emmeline Hope is our 4-year-old. She is cute as can be. Kind of one of those kids that just kind of smiles and kind of melts your heart. She's very energetic, very outgoing. Keeps us on our toes for sure. And some of that's part of being 4 years old. And then we have Eleanor of Faith, and she is 2. And she is claims to be a daddy's girl, but I think that's just to irritate mom. But she is awesome, great for snuggles, and we have a lot of good times together. So, I guess about me, whenever I have what I would call me time, I like to spend it with my family. I can definitely have a lazy day here and there and binge watch some Netflix. I like to ride my bike. Kind of got into that a couple years ago. I like to work out, and a lot of what I do from a workout standpoint is kind of like triathlon training. I've only actually done one triathlon in my life, but I train a lot. Like you'd think I had done a lot more. I also spend a lot of time doing my wife's projects, and then I like being outside. Kind of anything I can do outside with the family and the kids, and have fun and make my kids laugh, and that's what I like to do. Before transition to teaching, I graduated from Winfield High School, which is where I teach at now. I went to Allen County Community College, and then I went to Southwestern. I graduated with my undergrad in '05, and my undergrad was in biology, and I stuck around to coach, got a master's in business, and what kind of turned into let's get a free master's turned into 17 years of college coaching experience, 16 of which were as a head coach. The last decade or so, I've been the lifeguard trainer for the city of Winfield, and about the same amount of time I've been coaching Winfield Swim Club. Started off coaching it with my wife before we had kids, and here we are today. Random facts about me. I'm an only child. I've been skydiving. I biked across Kansas with someone else who's taken this class. I love getting in some lake time with my family. me and my 9-year-old both like to wakeboard. My 10-year-old and mom, my wife, are more of the tubers in the family, and then the 2 and 4-year-olds tube as well, but at a very much slower pace. So another rain. In fact, I'm not coaching anything right now, which is kind of it's a weird feeling, but I'm really enjoying the spare time. I will be coaching. I don't coach for the high school at all. I've really been part of a big transition for me to make this transition was to have more time for family, and so I'll be coaching a U6, a U10, and a U12 youth soccer team. Those are the three age groups that my daughters happen to be in. Um, I'm living the dream. I got my dream car. Finally got it about 6 years ago. It's a Jeep CJ7, and I'm working on raising some daughters who can appreciate some Jeep time. I would say I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I feel like I like to work hard and get things done and have that sense of achievement. And it's one of the things I try to involve my kids in that process as well. And I love helping people along their journey. So that is the end. So I hope everybody enjoys what's left of summer as we get ready for a great fall.